Hey, are you a WILP student studying for your mid-exam and you have the topic computer network? Then this video is for you. In this playlist of computer network, I will be explaining all the problems that are there in the sample paper for the subject computer network. So let us start with the solving model question 1. So you can see a question is given like, for 247 devices in a network, what is the number of cable links required for a mesh, ring, bus and star topology? Okay. And what is the second sub question? Draw a hybrid topology with a star backbone and 3 ring networks. That is for 2 marks. And we have to compare the telephone network and the internet. And we have to discuss what are the similarities and what are the differences. So let us solve the first question, first sub question. Okay. So before solving that, if you haven't watched my previous video of concept of different types of topologies, then please do watch, because in that video I have explained about all the different types of topologies. Okay, with the definitions, daily life examples and with the formulas. If you understand that video right, so it will be very easy to solve this similar type of questions. Okay, if any question that came in the exam in this from this topic, it will be very easy for you to attempt that. Okay, so what is the first sub question? For 247 devices, so what are the number of devices? 247. So what is the number of cable links? So in mesh topology, every device is connected to every other device. In what is in mesh topology? In every device is connected to every other device. So what is the formula for to find the number of links in a mesh topology? Number of links is equal to n into n minus 1 by 2, where n is 247. N is nothing but number of devices. So if you do the calculation, then you will get the answer as 30,381 links. Okay. Similarly, for other topologies also you will do. That's why I am telling, please watch my previous video to understand the concept and as well as the formula. It will be very easy for you to attempt any type of like similar questions, okay, from this concept. And next, ring topology. In ring topology, each device is connected to two neighboring devices forming a loop. What is the formula for a ring topology? Number of links is equal to n. So answer will be 247 links. Number of links for a ring topology is 247 links. Next, bus topology. In bus topology, all devices share a single backbone cable. Okay, so n is equal to 1. I mean here number of links is equal to 1 cable link. Okay, and similarly for star topology, in star topology, each device is connected to a central hub or switch. What is the formula for number of links? That is also n. Okay, same like ring topology, right? For star topology also formula is n. So answer for the number of links in the star topology is 247 links. So these are all the things. See, I am providing what is the exact format you have to write in the exam. Okay, that are the things I am going to explaining here. Okay, let us go to the next sub part of question. Here we have to draw a hybrid topology with a star backbone and 3 ring networks. Okay, what we have to do? We have to draw a hybrid topology with a star backbone and 3 ring network. Before drawing that, you should know the what is meant by hybrid topology. A hybrid topology is a combination of 2 or more topologies. Okay, so here let us understand the question deeply. What we have to do? In the diagram, the central backbone is a star topology. Okay, 3 ring networks are connected to the star. Why this hybrid topology is created? Because to provide scalability, reliability and fault isolation. Okay, these are the uses. That's why I told to know the concepts. Okay, now let us draw based on this requirement. So here you can see in this diagram, first you have to draw a rectangle or square. It's your wish. and draw the label as hub or switch. Okay, in that, what in the sub question told, one star backbone. Okay, this is one star backbone and 3 ring networks are connected. These are the nodes. See here in this nodes place, if you are good enough in drawing, right, you can draw the computer one. Okay, computer diagrams as well. Okay, just giving a square and like this computer diagram. If you are like somewhat a best artist in that, you can do that as well. Okay, so I am not that artist, I mean that much artist, so I just have represented that in the nodes, the computers as in nodes. Okay, okay, here I have labeled ring network 1, ring network 2 and ring network 3. Okay, these are the 3 rings that are connected to the hub or switch, that is the star backbone. So whenever you are writing a diagram, don't forget to label it. Okay, don't forget to label it. Okay, enough. See, this is a easy 2 marks. With this diagram, it is a simple one, and with this you got 2 marks. Yes or no? So also see, if you know only concept, what's the what is the ring topology mean or everything, right? If you know the concept, then it will be very easy for you to answer the question. Okay, 2 are done. Now let us go to the third subpart of the question. What is the question given? Compare the telephone network and the internet. What are the similarities and what are the differences? It is for 2 marks. So similarities and differences we have to write. Before writing the similarities and differences, you first have to have a small idea, right, about telephone network and the internet. So first of all, let me tell you about the telephone network. Telephone network, it is the system used for voice calls. We call, right, in a mobile phone, we call to another person, right? So it is nothing but a telephone. With the help of telephone network, we are calling that. So when you make a phone call, a direct connection is created between you and other person, right? Yes or no? Okay. So this connection, the connection that is established, right? This connection stays reserved only your call until you disconnect that. So like this connection stays reserved only for your call until you until you disconnect that. Okay, so until you disconnect, the connection will be established. Okay, even if you stay silent, even if you stay silent, right, the connection is still occupied. That is what telephone network means in simple. So if you want to like if I give you a small example, so like booking a private room for talking, like nobody else can use it until you leave. So when you book the room, when you book a private room for talking purpose, so nobody can else can use until you leave that. Okay, so for internet, similarly, let me give you small explanation for internet. So the internet is used for data, videos, messages, emails and calls. Okay, got it? The internet is used for data, videos, messages, emails and calls. Okay, so here in previous time, like in telephone network, what it is happening, a connection has been established when you are calling to the person. Then what about in internet? Here data is broken into small packets and each packet can travel through different paths. So no fixed connection is reserved like the telephone network. So resources are shared among the many users. So let me give you a small example, real life example, like sending letters through the post. So each letter may take a different route but reaches the same destination. Okay, yeah. So now let me tell you the differences and the similarities. First of all, let me write about the similarities. So both are large scale communication networks. Okay, and both use switching and routing. Okay, both use different switchings, but both uses switching. One common term is switching and routing, and both enable end-to-end communication and both require addressing mechanisms. Remember this. What are the, so first whenever you know the concept, right, then only you can answer the question in the exam easily. And next, differences. So what are the differences? I told there are, you have a similarity of switching, but there are different types of switching. In telephone network, it is just circuit switching. That means one stable connection. We have already discussed it, right? So here packet switching. So many users can use one shared resource like that. So it has a dedicated path, but it has a shared path. Here resources are reserved, but here resources used dynamically. Here call drops on failure. Here packets are rerouted. Here it is mainly for voice, whereas here in internet it uses data, voice and video. You got it? So the internet is used for data, voice, video and emails and so on. Okay, if you write this, it will be more than enough to score full out of full marks. So if you like my explanation, if you want the same explanation for other questions as well from the computers and network, you know what to do, right? Subscribe it and provide me any suggestions. If I need to do any suggestions in the teaching, right, provide me in the comment section. And also if you like the way of teaching, please share that opinion as well in the comment section. So thank you and subscribe to get more videos like this to WILP Wallah. Okay, to subscribe to WILP Wallah to get more videos like this and this explanation. Thank you.